Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another haul. I am doing an ASOS haul today and I've had a couple of these to show you because a few things happened. So I had an ASOS haul that I filmed that it's just kind of like random bits and bobs, so it wasn't like a planned ASOS haul, but I've been buying the occasional thing here and there, and then I realised I'd like all these things, so I thought I'd group them together because they're all from ASOS. And then I also had planned to do my video with Jess, which was an ASOS haul. I don't know if it will be up yet or not, but it was like my friend does my ASOS haul, which was really fun. And then also the PR got in touch to see if I wanted to pick some pieces. So yeah, so there's like 3 ASOS hauls going up, but I'm really excited about these pieces, so I'm really excited to show you them. I got some accessories too. And some bits in the men's section, so it's quite varied haul. So the first thing I want to show you is this blazer, which was the first thing that I picked because if you saw my other haul, which was a collection of things, you'll have seen the blue blazer, which is actually my sister's, and obviously I'm going to try and keep that, and also I just didn't see the point in getting the same as her. But I did see this, which I don't know if it's the same in a different colour or what, but it's like blue, pale blue check. And how cool is that? It should be so nice with like, oh, it's gone now, you can see. It'd be so nice with like a white summer dress, and also just like with anything. But yeah, I just thought it was nice kind of oversized style, and it's a bit different. I've just realised I've got to glue my thumbnails back on. I just filmed a whole video without thumbnails. And yeah. Sorry. And yeah, I thought it would be a really cool, like just a bit different to the one that she's got, and I love blazers, so obviously, and I love pastels, so it was an obvious choice for me. So this is the blazer on. As you can see, I got a size 10 because it said oversized, and it's definitely oversized, but what I love about it is that, can you see that the shoulders still fit well here, like the shoulder padding detail, even though it's like oversized. And yeah, it's quite long. Like, I think maybe you could wear this as a dress if you wanted to, and then just wear something underneath so that like you can like hide your modesty. So I've just got like a white top and some cream denim shorts on. I'm obsessed with these denim shorts, guys. I've just ordered them in another colour, in this like light blue colour. And then I've got my New Balance trainers on. I do love my Nike trainers, and I've been wearing them with a lot of things, but I just wanted to show something a bit different. And I feel like for some reason, because they're not as chunky, they're a bit more kind of refined when it comes to trainers, and more grown-up trainers than the Nike Air Force One. So I feel like they look a bit more, they kind of go with the outfit and make it look a bit more smart and grown up, rather than the New Balance, the Nike trainers. I love them both, and I would definitely wear the Nike with these, but just wanted to show something a bit different. But yeah, I really like this blazer. So next is this little bag, and it really reminded me of is it the Row? It's a bag from a couple of years ago. I saw it on some of my Insta friends, my blogger friends page, Olivia and Alice. I love them. If you like colour, go follow them. Let me just open it. They are sisters, not twins, and they have the best style. So I did not expect this to be this small. It's literally the size of my hand, but is it not adorable? I mean, you can fit your phone in there. I feel like it almost needs to be like pushed out, so it's like rounder, but it's just like, I really hurt my teeth opening that. You know how like mini bags are like on trend at the moment, and Jacquemus and everyone is doing them, and I think it has like that designer look to it, and the check is so cute. Yeah, I just thought it was so adorable, and yeah, it has this designer look to it. I think it was really cheap as well. So the next thing is a little pink, this little pink knitted top, and I've been looking at this and I was like, I'm in an arming, so I wasn't sure if I'd wear it, but I have been loving colour at the moment. And it does come with a matching skirt, but I don't think, it was like a pencil skirt, and I'm not one for like matching sets. I don't know why it took me so long to think about what I was trying to say there. But yeah, I just thought it was so cute, and I thought it looked really nice with like some cream shorts I usually as well, because it's like bright, I probably wouldn't wear like head to toe in colour. Like I'm starting to wear a lot of colour, I don't know if you guys noticed, and I really love pastels and like pretty colours, but I've been wearing them with like pretty much a neutral outfit, so I just like pick one thing that's colourful. I don't think I'm ready for like head to toe colour, so yeah, I really love this. I just thought it was so nice. It's got like these crochet boob areas, and then it's got this cutout detail here, and then it's just plain ribbed at the back, but I don't really mind that. I just thought it was really nice. It's a lot more cropped than I expected it to be, but that doesn't bother me either, and it's got really cute little edging. So this is the pink top on, and I actually love it with these cream jeans. I think it's just balanced out perfectly, and I've just put these little heeled sandals on because I feel like it makes it a really cute like summer outfit, and yeah, I just really like it. I actually think this, I was worried that these would be too see-through, and I don't think they are, and I feel like you couldn't really wear a bra with them, with it, so yeah, but this is so cute. I actually really like it, and I think the cream, because it's like more cream than white, really balances it out. I think this is like the perfect outfit to wear with it. Yeah, this looks really cute with the cream on cream, and then just a little bit of pink coming through. I actually love this outfit. I think this was one of the things from the haul that I was like a bit like, this is a wild card for me, but it's really surprised me, and it kind of makes me think I need to step out of my comfort zone more, especially when it comes to colour, because I just stick in pastels at the moment. I don't know if you call this pastel or not, but yeah. Okay, this next thing is in the men's section, and I'm really intrigued by this because the material looked a bit strange, but I just thought it was so cute. And again, it's pastel, it's green. Oh, it's just jersey. Oh, it's just jersey. It looked like silky on the website. So now it's here, I'm like, do I like that? Let me try. I'll have to try it on. Obviously I'm trying them all on. It's a very deep V. So this is a mint green top for men on, and I've just tucked it in. I'll show you it untucked in a minute, but I really like it tucked in because I just feel like, I don't know, it really reminds me of like Greece. Do you know what I mean? Like what the men used to wear in like Greece, but obviously like buttoned up a bit more, and like diners and old school American diners. It really reminds me of like old school Americana kind of vibe. But yeah, I really like it with the cream trousers, and then a little bit of a heel and tucked in. I think it actually looks quite like a smart top, even though it's jersey and it was really affordable. But I really like the colour too. This is actually, all the things that I thought I wouldn't like are really surprising me. But let me show you it untouched. I honestly cannot imagine a man wearing, oh, I don't want to show you my, be careful how I untuck this, because it is quite, when it's tucked in it's secure, obviously, because it's tucked. I mean, it looks nice untucked too, for sure. Like, it looks cute like this too. I just think I prefer it tucked in. So I got another accessory, and I don't normally get accessories in my hauls, but I always forget about accessories. I think it's because well, I don't know why, but this really reminds me of Faithful, the brand, like in the print and the style. I just thought it was so cute for pictures, and also like, I don't know if I suit hats. Now I'm thinking I definitely don't. But maybe I could take the picture like that. So you can't actually see my face. And especially if I do this up, I'll just be so cute. So the next thing is another thing. So this and the blazer are the things that I think that I picked first. Oh, I find it so weird when they have cardboard in them, like my dress is a piece of cardboard. So this is a maxi dress, and I'm really getting into maxi dresses, guys. Like, I've got quite the collection now. And also, isn't it so funny, like, I'm not leaving the house yet, like, I am getting all of these clothes. It's kind of ridiculous, to be fair, but I mean, anything to pass time. And I just like, I'm playing dress up at the moment. But this is such a cute maxi dress. It's like this broderie anglaise, and it's got these cute puff sleeves, square neckline. It's ruched along here, and then it just goes straight down, really. It doesn't have any other detail apart from the broderie anglaise, but I just thought it was such a nice, I don't really have any white maxi dresses, so clearly I needed one. And I just thought, how cute is this? Imagine it with that little bag as well. I just thought it was really pretty. Like, so pretty. So this is the maxi dress on, and I've got my little clutch bag here. I definitely say this is a bit on the small size, because I'm normally between an 8 and a 10, and sometimes I can wear size 10 and find them a bit big, and this is clinging in all of the wrong places. No, I think it fits well actually. I think because it's meant to be tight, but I'm just saying that like you normally in a 10, I feel like maybe I should have gone for an 8. So yeah, it's definitely on the smaller size is what I'm trying to say. I really love the neckline. I love this detail here. Obviously it would look better if you had boobs, but I'm not, and I'm working it. I love the sleeves, I love the border anglais, I love the square neckline. Kind of love everything about it. It's got these 2 slits. I would have preferred just one, but I'm not fussy. I always feel weird with 2. But yes, so when you walk, you get a bit of leg showing, which is really nice. And actually, considering I'm 5'7.5", it's quite a good length on me, because I sometimes find maxi dresses can end up being a bit too short on me. And I've just got my chunky sandals on, my Lizzie McGuire sandals, and this cute little bag. And I think the bag is just so cute with it. Like, honestly, this is adorable. Because I want to show you that it also looks really nice for like, it just instantly makes it look a bit more formal. And I think this would look cool with trainers too. I just think it's kind of like a everything dress. And if you got bored of it as a maxi, it would look cute if you cut it just there and made it a mini dress as well. So yeah, I really like it. Then finally I got another thing from the men's section, and it's basically what I'm wearing. I'll link this below. This is actually from ASOS. ASOS, Amazon. I'll link it below. What I'll do actually is I'll link my Amazon shop below, because it's got this in my joggers that I'm wearing and my false nails, so you can find it all. But yeah, I'll link everything here below too, and I'll add the sizing that I've got. And just for reference, I'm 5'7.5", and I'm between 8 and a 10. Like, I'm a large 8 and a small 10. That's like my size. So you can like know for reference on the sizes I get. But I do like things oversized. Like, for example, this is an extra large. So yeah, I ordered this in a large. And it's just like the same as what I'm wearing, but it's in pink. It kind of looks a bit corally on the camera, but it's like a kind of, I always say like a creamy pink, like almost like a pink milkshake. They're a bit more intense than that, but yeah, I love this. I really love these. This top here I've been wearing like non-stop since I got, and then I saw this one and was like, oh, I want to get this. The zip doesn't go as low as this. Like this one, like, ooh, I could zip all the way down, all the way up. But this one only goes down to like probably here. But I mean, that's where I'm wearing it, so it doesn't really matter. But I just thought I'd let you know. And this one feels, yeah, it feels like the same kind of quality, to be fair. It's probably the same type of, in the same factory or something. But yeah, I just thought the pink was really cute. And clearly, I mean, guys, I hope that you're proud of me, that I'm like loving colour at the moment, and I'm like incorporating colour into my wardrobe, because I'm proud of me. So this is the men's sweatshirt. It's so soft and fleecy on the inside without being like super thick. So I can tell I'm going to wear this a lot in summer. It will look so cute over a summer dress too. But I just want to show you how I'll be wearing it now, which is with joggers, because it's a perfect thing to wear around the house. And with my trainers, my fave trains at the moment. These joggers are actually River Island men's section as well. Like, so this is a menswear, and these trainers are Nike men's. So this is like a whole men's outfit that I'm wearing right now. And I love menswear. I've told you guys a million times before, the men have the best basics. But yeah, I just really like this. I wonder if I have other colours too. I feel like it'd be so nice in like a lilac or pale yellow, but it's just so nice and cozy and snuggly. And I think the grey and the pink look so cute together. So that is everything. So if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing so many videos at the moment. I have got a ton of hauls because I've just been sat at home sipping wine in the evening and ordering online, which clearly I need to stop doing because I think it's apparent that I have got a problem. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm to like show in YouTube that people like my video, and then it will like show other people it. And leave me a comment if you got to the end so I can say thank you, and let me know what your favourite piece is. I'm torn. I feel like the blazer for sure is up there. I actually really like this too, and the white dress, but that little bag is cute too. I mean, I like it all, I picked it all. But yeah, let me know which is your favourite, and make sure you head over to my Instagram if you want to see me styling them up. I'll put a little screenshot. It's getting very pastel-y over there at the moment, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.